The Great Indian Kitchen was a Malayalam film directed by Joe Baby. I saw that film the time it released on Amazon Prime, and I was depressed, I was traumatized, and I could not watch a film for 2 days after that because that film really hit me a lot. The film was directed by Joe Baby, and it was very interesting to see that a man has created such a feminist film, which made total sense. And then there was a Tamil version of the film, and then I heard that there was a Hindi adaptation of the movie with Sanya Malhotra. I like Sanya Malhotra, I don't have an issue with her. But I was not excited for the film at all. Like, I really did not want the film to be made because I saw its trailer long time back and it was so colorful and different from The Great Indian Kitchen, the Malayalam one, that I'm like, they are going to spoil the film. And yesterday I saw Mrs. on Z5 and I have quite a few interesting takes on it. So let's get into the video. My name is Tanya and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So the Hindi version of the film is called Mrs. It's starring Sanya Malhotra and it's available on Z5. The movie is directed by Aarti Kadav, and as I said, I did not have too many expectations from the movie, but I was pleasantly surprised. I wouldn't say that it's the best adaptation, but it was way above my expectations for sure. Um, so the movie is basically about this girl who gets married to this guy and gets into this family which is extremely misogynist. They think that the work of a woman is just to be in the kitchen, and it is so misogynist and so like backward that this actually happens, that when a wife serves food to a husband, she eats in the same plate once the husband is done eating. And this actually happens or happened. I don't think it happens anymore, but it has happened because when I saw the scene in the Malayalam film, I was with my mother and I got so eked out with that scene that my mom said, "Why are you surprised? It actually used to happen, and someone in my family used to do that." And I was like, shocked. I did not know what to say. They don't do it now, but at some point she did do that. I did not know what to say. And this movie is brutally honest, the Malayalam film. Now the Hindi version is also well made. I'm not gonna say that it's not well made. It gives out the message that it has to. It does portray what it has to. But if I compare it to the Malayalam film, I feel that the Malayalam film was not as decorated and colorful as Mrs. was. Malayalam film was extremely toned down. Malayalam film was extremely brutal to watch. Like, there were these, plate shots with food and all that. In the Malayalam film, I felt like throwing up. In the Hindi film, I felt like, okay, I can watch it. But honestly, I feel that if I had not watched the Malayalam version of the film, I would have liked this film a little more. But because I've seen the Malayalam version, I kind of know how yucky it was to watch it. And I also understand that for the Hindi industry, like for the audience of Mumbai or whatever, you need to kind of beautify it. You need to kind of show it in a different way with music, with like, all of that. In the Malayalam version, all of that is missing. So it's like this 1.5, 2 hours of depression that you watch, and then you get into the end of the film, which is obviously a bit positive. Now, I'm not going to compare the Malayalam version. I have spoken about The Great Indian Kitchen on my channel before, so you can just go and watch that film. Go and watch that review. But talking about Mrs. only, I think that the set design could be better in terms of the color, because when you're giving like a it's a suppressed film about like something which is about misogyny, no feminism, and it's sad. I think it was too colorful for that, and I would have felt that even if I had not watched The Great Indian Kitchen. I think the colors like pink, yellow, blue should have not been used. It should have had an undertone, and I think I would have related to the film a bit more. Apart from that, I think it was a good film. It is a good adaptation for sure. um Sanya Malhotra, I think this is her best performance till now. Like, I have seen her films, of course, but I've never been extremely related to her characters. But in this, she killed it. Like, she really did. The direction is also pretty nice. The writing is good. Overall, it's a good film. I liked it. I am obviously biased towards The Great Indian Kitchen because I love that film a lot. The direction, acting, dialogues, cinematography was 10 on 10 over there. Over here, I would say it's 7, like overall. So, it's not bad, but it's not as good. But it's a good adaptation. Like, I've seen other adaptations as well, and they are shit. But Aarti Kadav definitely did an amazing job in adapting such a harsh film. Watch it if you haven't watched The Great Indian Kitchen. Then this film is really going to hit the chords. It's going to make you feel pathetic. It might just change your perception over a lot of things. And if you have seen The Great Indian Kitchen, then this film is definitely lighter. Let me know what you thought about the movie in the comments below. And if you agree with me, then great. If you don't agree with me, then I would love to hear your views as well. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.